Hello guys, you're welcome back once again to my channel. Do you love the cartoon you just watched? If you loved it, guess what? You can make it. And guess what? Absolutely free. And I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to be using 3 different tools, but all these tools are absolutely free. Okay? So what you want to do right now is you want to have at least 2 or 3 different emails. But in a bit, I'm going to tell you the reason why you need multiple emails, okay? But just stay with me. Now, in case if this is your first time on my channel, you want to do me a little favor, hit the subscribe button now. Don't forget, subscribe now, okay? And if you find this video helpful, support my little efforts by hitting the like button. Now, let's get started, guys. The first tool you need actually right now is ChatGPT. And on ChatGPT here, I dropped the prompt and I asked ChatGPT, I told ChatGPT that I want to start a children cartoons channel like Tom and Jerry, okay, where there are no words, just their actions and dramatic sounds. But I don't want to use cats and rats, just like that's like Tom and Jerry, right? So I began to ask ChatGPT for suggestion, and ChatGPT gave me some nice suggestions. And always remember, guys, the prompts, I'm going to keep all the prompts in a Google document file and post it on my Telegram channel right here. This is where I usually post the prompts so that you can always use the prompts as guidance to generate yours also, okay? So what you want to do right now is pause this video, click on description of this video right now. The first link there is my Telegram channel. Join so that you don't miss out any of this, okay? So over here, I asked ChatGPT to give me ideas. ChatGPT gave me ideas, and I chose the dog and the squirrel, all right? And then I asked ChatGPT again. So I said, okay, I will take the dog and the squirrel. And then it began to give me more suggestion on how to go about the whole thing, how to generate the photos and everything. You can see all right here. I said, okay, that's perfect. And I gave it a new prompt. I said, now give me prompts to generate both master sheets for my characters. And then ChatGPT gave me prompts to generate master sheets for my characters. And then after that, I said, ChatGPT, you know what? I want you to generate my characters for me. And ChatGPT generated these 2 different characters. This is one, and this is another. And then I chose the one I like, and this one looked more cool. What do you guys think? This one, the first one, or this one, the second one? Leave on the comment section. Do you think this which is the second one, do you think this is better, or do you think this one, which is the first one, is better? Just comment first is better or second is better. Now, while using ChatGPT, my credits on this ChatGPT finished because I'm not using the premium here. So that's why we will have to use a second tool. All right. But on the norms, you can use Gemini. With Gemini, you can actually do quite a lot. Okay. So you can use Gemini, ChatGPT, or whatever platform you can you can use it to start something like this, guys. So the second platform that I used was WhatsApp. And I know you're going to be like, huh? WhatsApp? Yeah, WhatsApp. So don't you know that WhatsApp also has an AI of which you can use to generate even photos and even videos? Now I'm going to shock you guys. So over here on WhatsApp, I dropped the photo on WhatsApp, and I said generate a video using the reference image of Booster and Good. All right, these are just the prompts of what I wanted it to generate for me. And then it came up with something like this, and let's see. Okay, that looks nice, but it doesn't have any sound on it, and that's just not what I'm actually looking for. I'm looking for something better than that. So we are still going to do something to it, all right? But I just wanted you to see that even WhatsApp can generate videos for you guys, okay? So I went on, I said, now generate prompts for my next cartoon scene of Booster and Nuts, and then it generated this prompts for me. But I needed something much more better, and I needed something that is going to look like an episode. Okay, so I went further and I said create prompts 10 for different scene for my first episode. All right, titled, and I gave it a title. I said titled give me my bone. So WhatsApp gave me 10 different prompts to generate different scenes for my episode 1, and that's where the job began. Coming over to the next tool that I'm gonna use is Google Veo. All right, so you can see all the different scenes that I have actually generated so far. So good, but I want to show you how it works. If you right here on Google View, this is the reason why I say you will need multiple emails, because Google View will allow you to create at least 1 minute video. All right, because each of these scenes that it creates are just 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds each. Okay, and it's going to allow you to generate at least let's say 10 different scenes, and that particular account is going to lose access to Google View for the next 1 month. But you don't want to wait for the next 1 month before you can generate more scenes for your cartoon, right? So you want to have another email to continue from where you stopped. So that's for the free account on Google View. But if you have a premium account, then you can also do more things. Like for instance, over here you can see I have the dog here and I have the squirrel here. I'm able to add even one more photo as references for whatever prompts I give Google View. But now, if you are on the free plan, you wouldn't have the access to use 3 different photos. Rather, you only have the access to use just animate an image, which is just one image. But here it says create from scratch, generate video from text and images. So I can put 3 different images because I'm on the paid plan, and actually it's not expensive to get, because I'm currently on the cheapest plan, which is I think I paid just $7 or so for the first 2 months, and after 2 months Google is going to begin to charge you 20 something dollars. So for the first 2 months you have to just pay $7 or so, and it's quite inexpensive for you to start something good. And that's why you can see I'm able to generate many different videos and different scenes for my cartoon. Is that not cool, guys? So in case you just want to stay on the free plan for now, just to start something, then you need multiple emails. Okay, I hope you're understanding. Else, I would advise you can go for the paid plan, the lowest one, just about $7 or so. Then once you get that, what you want to do is put your reference images at each prompt from whatever ChatGPT or Meta AI has given you, or maybe you're using Gemini, whatever it has given you. Just get the prompts for your different scenes, okay? And then you want to simply post it. So I'm going to show you how it works, okay? So I'm going to have to just remove this one and paste my new scene here, leaving the reference images right there, and then I'm going to click on generate. So you're going to have to wait for a few minutes, just like about 1 or 2 minutes, for this one to get generated. And once it's done, you're going to see the live performance of these two cool dudes. Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys. And that's how you can actually start your YouTube channel. Now I want to give you guys an expo on how you can start this journey. Before I give you that expo, I want you to see the generation has completed.
No, I got it! Watch out! Whoa!
Did you see that? That's cool, guys. That's cool. So what I want to do right now is I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to click on insert. So it's going to be inserted right inside here. So you can see already I have a cartoon of already 1 minute. So I'm going to come over here right now and remove this one and paste my last scene, which is going to be the one the last one for the day, and I'm going to click on generate. So do you see the simplicity here? I don't have to put so many pictures all the time. All right, all I just need is the reference image of my dog and the reference image of my squirrel, and just keep changing the prompts. Just as simple as that. Keep changing the prompt so you can tell your AI to give you 20 different scenes. Okay, depending on what you want, guys. So that's actually how it works. Now it's going to generate this one, and once I add it here, I have 60 minutes plus of this cartoon to get started. Now, what's my secret, guys? I want to tell you. Listen and listen attentively. Children love cartoons. Okay? Children love cartoons. And in order to grow fast in YouTube, one of the strategy is to use shorts. So when you generate your videos, I would advise that you make it a short, at least for starting up your channel, because most of you are about to start your YouTube channel, right? For starting up your channel, use shorts. But this is what you want to do. The more you generate these shorts, the more you keep compiling them. One day, when you've generated about, let's say, 50 different shots, let's say each of them was about 1 minute each. If you have 50 different shots, you already have a 50-minute cartoon video. Then what you want to do is you want to put them all together. So the thing is, you're gonna be asked, so you might likely ask, so Tim, well, do you advise I use this aspect ratio since it's short, or should I still remain on landscape? Now, I would advise you remain on landscape. This is my reason, because when that time comes when you have up to 50 different shoots, or maybe 30 different shoots, that's 30 minutes, each of them 1 minute, right? When that time comes and you want to put them all together to create a beautiful and wonderful 30-minute cartoon, imagine children rushing your channel to watch a 30-minute non-stop cartoon. That's awesome. That's a lot of money in your YouTube channel if your account is monetized by then. But this is what I want you to understand. When that time comes, when you start compiling those videos, because it's a 30-minute video, it has to be on landscape. Now, if you create your contents based on just portrait, when that time comes and you want to put them together, it's going to be difficult for you to actually put them together. All right, so one thing I advise is use landscape for these short creations. Then when you're done, download it. If you want to download it, you click on file and then click on download. Okay, download it, and once you download it, you want to bring it over to either CapCut or InShot or whatever editing app you have. Edit it using the proper aspect ratio for shots, but you have to edit it properly, putting every character in front of the screen. I believe you should know how to do that. Or if you want me to create a video on how to edit your cartoon in the short format, in portrait format, leave it on the comment section, and then I will know you need it and I will create the video for you. Else I would assume you already know how to edit your videos. Okay, so that's actually the little expo I have for you to get started, guys. So until I come your way again, I hope you loved this video. Hit that like button to show me yes you loved it. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel so you can get all the prompts to start your own kids cartoon YouTube channel.